Hello, now I will introduce how to use the Start Valve Up button. When we receive a new machine, we enter the system and in the debug interface. And now you can see the upper tool is done. First, we need to start the oil pump. In the manual mode, start the oil pump and cylinder up, and we can also up step by step down. Okay. And now in the automatic mode. For example, if we want to press the nut on this sheet metal, and we need to adjust the pressure. We step the foot pedal step by step. And if in the time we see the sheet metal or the nut is wrong, something is wrong, how we can do. So now we don't have the up foot pedal. We need to press here. It will be go to the highest position. And we can also do like this. If we just press one time, it will be go up a little, so you can move out. Okay.